Hi, welcome to RTI at ISU 2024. I'm Bill Hensley, the Marketing Director. I'm going to give you a little view of the program here that we're sharing with everybody at the show. We're starting here with RTI Intelligent Meetings, our solution that makes every meeting an in-person meeting. Now, the Intelligent Meetings ecosystem is anchored by the Intelligent 4K video card. We have also the Media Exchange device to help you get your content on the screen, and of course expansion microphones. The most important part of the ecosystem, though, is native integration into the RTI control system. So you get exceptional room control and office control with conferencing and collaboration. In this case, we've integrated the system into our KX4, our touch panel with processor built in. So right now we can see that we've customized this 100%, and I can tell that the room is available. That's great because this is our meeting. Let's go in and get started. Now, one of the things that people struggle with when they're having a hybrid meeting these days is just how do I get the meeting up and running? You know, the people online are not necessarily hearing and seeing what's going on in the room, and the people in the room are struggling just to get the meeting started. So we try to make that easy. When you enter the room, you're greeted by the welcome screen. Fully customizable. There's the RTI logo on that now, but this would of course be your client's logo, your client's imagery. But we're telling you how you can get the meeting started. Windows PC, native in the back wall there, AirPlay, Miracast, or the RTI Media Exchange transmitter. So we're going to start the meeting, and because we're fully integrated, now you'll see on the wall over here that it says meeting in progress, and that green light is turned to red. So let's get going, and we've got the Office PC going. And what this is showing actually is the AI in the camera that's tracking us. So we've got presenter tracking, speaker tracking, an auto pan function that helps people who are logging in from offsite feel like they're part of the room. The linear array microphones in the video bar help generate exceptional sound so they can also hear what's going on. So again, the meeting is an in-person meeting for everybody who's involved. Now, if it's a larger meeting space, you can accessorize with additional expansion microphones. You can add up to 5 of these in your system, basically getting as large of a conference room as you can imagine using. Now, I brought my laptop in, and I'm going to share content via my laptop, so that is the media transmitter. So in our media exchange transmitter, I click the button, and I've got my presentation up on the screen now. Now let's say I've got an email coming in and I don't want to share that with the whole group, or maybe there's a few slides in my presentation I want to skip through. I can certainly hit the pause button and my sharing is paused. So there's great privacy built in there. To unpause, I just hit the button again. And again, we're making the meeting an in-person meeting for everybody, whether they're in the room or not. This is RTI, excuse me, RTI Intelligent Meetings. Okay, let's take a look at some other stuff in the room here. Here at the show, we're introducing our new line of touch panels and remotes. This is the Intelligent Surfaces touch panel. It comes in a 10-inch version we're seeing here, as well as a 5-inch version. It's got capacitive touch, very narrow bezel, very close fit to the wall, almost flush wall mount. Beautiful interface. Let's go in here and take a deeper look. There's a 5-inch version as well. This is great as a symbol on the door coming into the room kind of installed. You can see in here that the customizable interface can work in any configuration, whether it's horizontal, landscape, or a vertical portrait format, fully customizable. You can start with our Coral template, and it's auto-programming to give you the fastest custom installation ever, or you can make things 100% customized, so it's exactly what your client needs. Now let's talk about audio solutions. We've been doing audio for a long time. Let's go out to the front of the booth here and take a look.
That's the way to do it. Home time.
With our new series of DSP matrix amplifiers, we're stepping up our audio game quite a bit. We've got 3 chassis in the line. There's the AD46 100, which is a 4-source 6-zone, 100 watts a channel, all channels driven amplifier matrix. There's the AD8-10100, which is an 8-source, 10-zone DSP matrix amp. And then there's the 1616, which is a full DSP matrix. On that, you would add our CP16i cool power amplifier for amplification. Now, in each of the powered amps, we've got 2 line-out channels, which is great for if you're adding a 70 volt or 100 volt system, or if you're putting subwoofers. So imagine you've got a couple of the 8x10, so you've got 16 zones of audio, and now you've got opportunity for 8 different subwoofers in your room. So again, great flexibility here. We've got the configuration UI, which makes it exceptionally easy. Whether you're bringing this into an RTI system or using it standalone or with someone else's system, it's going to learn you through everything you need to know to get exactly the right sound in every room. This is just a small sample of what we've got at RTI. Everything at RTI that we do is driven by our integration designer programming platform. Let's go over here and take a little look. We can watch Clive here demonstrate it to one of our integrators, integration designer. This is our programming platform. It enables you to do a project, whether it's a commercial project, a residential project. You can see he's scrolling through, well, it's a little hard to see, I guess, we're watching software here, but you're able to auto-program a lot of your pages, again, for that fast installation. You're able to custom program everything for that incredible personalization and customization your client needs. And the system manager is tracking all that so that you're not writing line code. It's helping you speed up your programming and helping speed up